Here we go one more time. Welcome back, folks. And if you don't like that, comment below what I should say on the opening. Okay, folks, welcome back. Today, we're back on the 86 Kawasaki 250 Targa. So we've ordered up some parts, and we're planning to give this one to Skylar once it's going. Let him run it. But figure we'll open these. You know, everybody loves a good unboxing. So in here, I believe we've got an oil filter. Yeah. So we've got a fresh oil filter to install today. And then in this one, we have our new cleaning kit. And then look at this. This is the exciting piece. These are brand new for the Kawasaki Ninja. Supposed to be the originals. Very good condition. Very nice looking. Don't think I'm disappointed with those at all. Those look good. Oh, and they sent us an Allen wrench. Not bad. Gate. And then these are the original baffles for these carburetors for the Ninja. The baffles are what hook on here and attach to the intake on the motorcycle. So we're going to install these as well today and get them assembled onto the bike, and hopefully it's running. I know it's hard to see them down here are the baffles that they Jimmy rigged on. I'm pretty sure that one is a car radiator hose. So we're just going to go ahead and start loosening these clamps and get these old carbs off. Now, if you guys were around for the last episode with this, we did get it running, but it wouldn't run right. It was just not idling very good, and the choke's all Jimmy crack corn over here with a piece of wire, you know, so. And they were flooding out. I mean, I could have cleaned them, I guess, and tried to make it work, but I don't believe these are even the right carburetors for this bike. So that's why we've opted out of using them.
Oh.
What?
Bunch of fuel just.
Oh yeah, it's gonna do that for a second. The float bowls are still full. The carburetor is disconnected, but his float bowls are still full.
It's really not losing much. Oh, it looks like there's redstone in there too.
Alright, that's off.
He don't listen.
So these are the old ones. You can tell that Jimmy cracked corn and that together. It's just shoved in there. That's why it wasn't getting fuel.
Where's that Mac guy?
Who?
Guy from gas station last night.
Oh, is that him?
Yeah, it's his car. Well, it might be his car.
Yeah, these are pretty patched together. Surprised they even run.
Let's put that on my shelf.
They don't even look like the old ones.
no, it's out.
Tell me. Okay, so we got the new carburetors. Got the old ones out down there. Let me get you a better shot.
Go cut this.
Yeah, okay. So here's the new ones. And that's where they used to be, right there on those two ports. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the new ones on there with the baffles and see if it runs. I don't know that we got enough gas in here.
No, because remember that's what was wrong with it last time.
Alright, Skylar's Targa started. Sounds pretty good. Gonna have to do a little adjustments, I think. Just to kind of get it right where we want. But not bad for a 39-year-old motorcycle. Like I said, we'll have to do a little adjustment. And get her dialed in where she wants to be. I'm gonna take it for a little scoot around the yard. All right, I took it around the parking lot. This little sucker runs pretty good now. I ain't even kidding. Right on. Brand new tires coming next week, and we've got a skin to put on the seat, matching red like the Kawasaki. Boy's gonna do that now. He looks pretty happy.
I'm happy.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you made it this far, maybe consider subscribing. Remember, just like a Kawasaki dirt bike, gotta use the clutch, shift down into first. I just want you to be in first for the first ride.
I'm really scared.
You should be. Put it in first.
Just remember,
Click down.
hey, just like Dad told me, if you get scared or anything, just pull in the clutch. That's it.
If I didn't have to go with it.
Okay? Listen, pull in the clutch. You have no problem. Keep the clutch in if you get scared. That's what Dad taught me, and I hold it all the time when I panic.
Just baby the clutch out a little bit.
You'll be alright.
Don't have to push it, it'll just take off.
Just slowly start letting it out. You scared me.
He's riding a Ninja. It's my mini Ninja man. Around the first turn, it's coming in the stretch. Hey, don't look at my garbage now. There he goes. Hey, Ninja Man. How's it ride? Give me a little rev. Turning into a little biker.
I like it.
Do you?
Yeah. Hey, I've got a question.
Was it worth a weekend of vlogging to fix
Oh, it's
it?
worth like 4 of them.
4 of them? You're gonna work for free for a while?
Wow.
Oh, you didn't mean to say that.
You got it for free.
What?
No.
I had to trade and wheel and deal to get that.
You got it for free. You got a free you got a free generator and you traded it for this. This is free.
paid for the tires.
I paid for the carburetors that are making it sound so good right now.
Hey, can I get it pressed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're on YouTube.
Uh-oh.
We got an Elmy. That's Gracie's friend. Gracie's here too. Connor.
Hey, Dad,
Take it for a rip. Let me see you go by.
Can I shift this without pulling the clutch?
No, you gotta pull the clutch in about halfway each time you shift.
Does it do anything if I die?
Yeah, it'll grind the gears up.
Okay.
You want to shift. Let the clutch in about halfway or 3/4. You know where you're letting it out and you can kind of feel it?
Yeah.
That's where you got to pull it into. At least there. I said go.
I'm scared, you're right there.
You're not going to get me. Well, I think he's in hog heaven. Gracie's going to try and jump on there in a second and see what she can do. Woo! Police station's right there, so we gotta be careful. You can't go outside of the yard till we get that thing licensed. Hey folks, if you enjoyed this, we enjoyed making it. See you in the next one.